In this video, we'll show you how to disable the volume buttons on your Samsung Galaxy phone or tablet. So to do this, first head to the Play Store and download this app called Button Mapper. Once you have downloaded it, simply open it. Now here you will need to first allow it necessary permissions. So simply tap on this Go button at the bottom and then select OK. Now here go to Installed Apps. And here choose Button Mapper and then turn it on from here and then select Allow. Once you allow the necessary permissions, you will need to select the volume up button first. Now enable the customize option and then tap on the single tap option and then set it to no action. Now go back, go to volume down and repeat the same steps. So tap on this no action button right here as well. Similarly, you can also set the long press to no action and double tap to no action if you want from here. Once you have done this, the volume buttons on your Android phone will no longer work. Now, anytime you want to disable it, you can simply come back to this app and turn off this customize option. Once you have done this, the volume buttons will start working again. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.